Alrighty guys, so we are meeting up here again at Academy, but just us right now. About to go to If You Know You Know meet, and this is gonna be super crazy. A movie, so stay tuned. Pulling up to the next gas station. All right, guys, so we just got to our next spot, and this is so far what we got. Got the Lexus IS, Porsche, my GTR, got Danny GTR, and Ali GTR. So we got the Candy GTRs right now.
Damn, it's fucking cold. What did they say? My cojones are frozen?
Yo, this the car right now. They look like candies, bro. Candies. This is the OEM. Oh. So we are getting ready right now to wait for some of the guys that they're coming. And we're gonna go to the main spot. This meet is gonna be like crazy. So stay tuned, guys.
Alrighty, seems like we got everybody on this gas station, and we just hanging out right now, chilling. But if you're impressed right now for what you're seeing, just wait, keep watching this video, because you're gonna see so many cars, so many supercars, and it's gonna be amazing. But I'm so happy all this GTR they came in right now. But I want to show you one by one all the cars that we have today. Alright, so this is the line that we have right now to try to get everybody in, and this is the warehouse. This is everybody trying to get inside, and that's my baby right here. Guys, stay tuned right now, because you're about to see way so much cars.
Alright guys, we got to the warehouse, and it's like a big line right now, breaking for all the cars to come in. That's my baby right there. But let me show you some of these cars already. Woo! We got this SV Aventador. Woo! So what I'm looking here is that they go by car section. This will be the Porsche section. Woo! And here we are with the McLaren section. Look at these beauties. Such beautiful cars. Woo! We got here BMWs.
And this is everybody pulling up right now. We got the GTR section with all the GTRs, different colors that you guys can see right here. Pulling up to this amazing car meet. We are, and I hope you are excited just like I am. But I wanted to ask you guys if you can comment which is the GTR that you like the most. All the cars so far that you see right now. There's so many beautiful cars right now. Look at this gorgeous Porsche. More Porsche everywhere. I'm just so excited to see all these cars, and it's amazing to have all these beautiful cars all in one place. I can't believe how big is this warehouse that it can fit all these cars. And look at this amazing GT3 RS. It just looks so beautiful with these red wheels and black. This car looks fire, I'm not gonna lie. This car is like brand new. They just barely got this from the dealer, and it's just so nice to see these cars like in person right now. And I'm so happy to show it to you guys. And let me show you more cars. I can't believe my eyes. There's a 4GT coming through right now. And one thing I can tell you guys, this is one of the rare cars you're gonna see in this car meet. It's just so beautiful to see a supercar, this Evo right here. So many nice cars that we are looking at it. This McLaren, just like a spaceship. I gotta say, this Ferrari looks so clean on this matte black, all black interior, and outside it just looks so nice. Oh my god, I just can't really believe how loud these cars are. The Lamborghini SVJs are like super crazy loud. And of course that Ferrari is what it was just so loud. But I'm just so happy to be here showing you all this car, guys. I hope you like this video, and trust me, I'm gonna be posting all this car meets, so I just want you guys to stay tuned for you guys can see all this amazing car. Just take a look at this 4GT. I just can't believe how beautiful it looks. Those tail lights, this car is just so nice. I really like everything about this car. It's super rare to see a 4GT on the street, and I'm just so glad I saw one of them right now. with all these amazing cars. But here we are, all the GTRs together, and I'll tell you this right now, I love seeing all the GTRs together, especially whenever we ride in the streets. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I just want you to subscribe for more content, and stay tuned for more.